Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Darkdramon. If you must know, Darkdramon is one of my favorite Digimon in the Digimon Fusion franchise and Data Squad. If you must know, he's a good rival of Bancho Leomon, and the two have been battling out for like decades now. If you ask me, Darkdramon is possibly one of the top 10 fighters in Digimon Data Squad, and along with Digimon Fusion, when he was one of the legendary Digimon heroes. He's a really nice guy, if you ask me. Okay, let's get started, shall we? His attack is lasers of light. He shines the enemy with darkness and lightning into one piece. Okay, once we did his head, next up, you just gotta draw his wings on his back. Go. Okay, next up is his arm cannon. Make sure to add a face to his arm cannon. I don't know why his cannon has a face, but I think it's to intimidate the other opponents. Makes me wonder if Digimon are capable of battling. Because that'd be awesome. Alexa, play Happily Ever After by Steven Universe.
Here's Happily Ever After by Steven Universe, featuring Didi Magno Hall and others on Amazon Music.
Here we are in the future. Here we are in the future, and it's bright.
Sorry.
Nothing to fear, no one to fight.
I forgot to do the remix version of it. Alexa, play Happily Ever After by Nate Wants to Battle.
Happily Ever After by Nate Wants to Battle on Amazon Music.
Here we are in the future.
Now that's more like it.
Here we are in the future, and it's bright. Nothing to fear, no one to fight. I can't believe we've come so far. Happily ever after, here we are.
There we go.
Once upon a time, I thought I'd always be in my mother's shadow. Answering for her crimes, I thought I'd always be in an endless battle. Till I began to own a power of my own. That I could feel growing stronger every day. Now I save the world, not just that the whole galaxy saved. We did it. Here we are in the future. Once upon a time.
Make sure to draw the legs.
To be in pink diamond service till the day the two of us knocked down to be on this planet's surface. We became a fantasy, and I was sure she set me free. In the end, I guess I never strange, confusing. And there I was, a bundle of questions, so naive. And if you told me this, I never would believe you then. But here we are in the future. Once upon a time, I pursued life inside of the candle.
There's the leg.
A product of war that I had no idea I had a part in. I came out late and alone. Knew nothing but my home. But now I know exactly who I'm supposed to be. And it's a part of this family. If I could just stop right here and be. Finally done, finally us, finally we are in the future. Here we are in the future and it's bright. Nothing to fear, no one to fight.
And done.
I can't
That's pretty much it, folks. That's how you draw Digi-Cards. Pretty impressive, don't you think, guys?
happily ever after.
So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Almost forgot that it had these. Make sure to leave a comment below on what character I should draw you guys next. And, till then, I'll see you guys again soon. And, be sure to leave a post comment. And, so, have a good weekend, everybody.